Maybe I made a mistake yesterday, but yesterday's me is still me. I am who I am today, with all my faults. Tomorrow, I might be a tiny bit wiser, and that's me too. This quote by Kim Namjoon, a member of South Korean boy band BTS, made me realize that my faults, my mistakes, and flaws are not mere imperfections, but exquisite brushstrokes that enrich the canvas of my life, adding depths and characters to my journey. Hi everyone, Namaste. I'm Yogita Verma, a 17-year-old from India. I'm both a student and a mentor, driven by an insatiable curiosity to discover new things and explore daily. Once I imagined myself as a Disney princess. I envisioned life as a bed of roses, and society as gracious and kind, where love radiates everywhere, as that of the Disney world. But in stark reality, thorns come along with roses, and Disney is just a fiction. Throughout my childhood, I embodied abundance of self-assurance and cheerfulness. Oratory and dance captivated my interest, and I've won numerous accolades for my performances in both. But as I grew older, the confidence I once had seemed to disappear. I was no longer the cheerful and self-assured girl, but someone who withdrew herself from the world and wasn't ready to face anyone. When one doubt themselves, negative thoughts and insecurities consume their mind, making them think everyone is gossiping or judging about them. But that far from reality. The truth is, everyone around you is focused on their personal growth. Being anxious in public, sometimes stuttering, or sometimes feeling panic doesn't make you different from anyone else. Remember, my dear, you are not different from anyone else around you. Most of the persons around you are feeling the same, and I once myself too felt that. Let me share my story with you all. I isolated myself. I was constantly doubting my existence. I was constantly filled with negative thoughts in my mind. And I was just ditching plans with family, with friends. Social gatherings became intimidating for me, leaving me anxious. All I wanted was to be alone in my room. You know, I was at that point when I was not even able to order something from myself in restaurants. But then, with the help of my parents, my family, I was able to overcome all of my self doubts and I became the best and the confident version of myself. And my sweetheart, you can become the best version and have the self confidence in you too. I once believed everyone around me was judging me for my looks, for my height, for my way of speaking, for my appearance. I began viewing myself through the lens of others, and that was only a distortion of my reality. I would like to thank my parents because of their unwavering support, belief in me, and care deeply nurtured my growth most beautifully. It's because of them that I was finally able to give my first ever TED talk, for which I was procrastinating about for over a year. When I was in grade 12, I read about a term, escape from reality, in my English book. When I gave a second thought to it, I realized escape from reality, according to me, meant when the world around you disappears and it gives you a sense of comfort, a sense of peace. That's your escape from reality. During my self growth journey, I found myself yapping in front of the mirror, dancing with my headphones, blasting music on full volume. And then I realized that was my escape from reality. Me expressing my thoughts, me dancing to the vibes of music gave me a peace. Because as I mentioned earlier, oratory and dance captivated my interest. And that nostalgic memory of childhood gave me a sense of peace. So it's your sign to find what's your escape from reality and find your sense of peace. Remember, as a tree doesn't grow overnight, similarly, self-confidence doesn't develop overnight. One need to nurture it daily, and voila, the best version of yourself will come to light. So, this is your sign to start developing your self-confidence, start journaling, start manifesting the life you want because few years from now, you will look back and feel proud of yourself for not giving up. And take note, there is no such thing as fresh start. Don't wait for a fresh month, from a fresh week, for a fresh day. Start now. This is your sign to step into your journey of self growth and become the best version of yourself. Thank you.